Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to another video. You'll see that well basically you wouldn't see. I was meant to do a proper intro at the site at Revo HQ, but for some reason my video had failed, so I'm just doing a really quick little intro, and you'll see from the title anyway, it's an update video on the Audi RS3. We're at Revo 8 RPC headquarters in Daventry, and we're fitting lots of new modifications to the car. We've got some Eibach Pro lowering springs going on, some Goodridge braided brake lines front and rear, EBC RPX pads on the front, and titanium brake shims on the front as well, new fluid, what else, software's already on Revo Stage 2, and then we're going to be driving the Stage 2 Golf R as well and doing a full review video on that, or drive video of that as well. But yeah, other than that, I think that's pretty much everything going on. Oh, you know, and the Alcon Revo 380mm brake discs as well. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you it as it goes on. And if you've got any questions, as always, hit us up in the comment section. Sorry for the weird intro. So as you see, the RS3 going off into the background, all done. Yeah, I can end that video, guys. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, guys. RS3 is all done. You'll see how it looked before, how it looks now, and there's so many nice bits on that. If you've got any questions about anything, as always, hit us up in the comment section. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.